All right, what's up, guys? Just want to do another like mail day again. Probably make this a quick video because all my other videos are like 15 minutes long. But I have a couple things to open, but this I just found. Florida State Seminoles, logo athletic. Almost like the shark's tooth on the back. Big logo on the front, but then in the pocket, which is really cool. Beat Florida from the bookstore. It's really cool. So that's what I just found. So let's open a couple things. So I bought these, just some Nike swim trunks. A little logo on it, it's all faded, but I have some blue ones that I wear all the time. Got these. Okay. So these are both like Jesus tees. So on the Screen Stars Best, Jesus is my best friend. I think I saw him for like, I don't know, I got him for like maybe 10 bucks or something. So I was like, might as well. This one's on a Delta. God Wars Episode 1, Defeating All Evil. It's literally like a Star Wars bootleg kind of parody thing. Jesus Christ. So I'll save this one for last. Maybe you can, I'll wait, I'll just wait. And I thought these were cool. They're 100% compostable. It says, yep, I'm made of corn. I might need to get those. Save the Earth by Vintage. I don't know who this is from, but Lucky Strike Vintage in New York. America's Favorite. It's a medium. Taz and Linda Magic. I'm sure it won't fit me, but all right. Last but not least, this thing is insane. I feel like I got it for a steal. So. Yo. This thing is crazy. EB Games. Screen Stars Best. It's a large, so it's a little tiny, but it is so fire. But yeah, that's basically all I got today. Hopefully I can do more. I want to do more like mail days and stuff. So yeah, I want to start doing more like mail days or more videos, more thrifting videos or something like that. If you have any ideas, leave a comment in the description, or leave a comment down below, not in the description. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and like, follow. If you want to buy something, go to my eBay or my Depop. It would be greatly appreciated. Thank you guys.